Welcome, Kat right here. So I'm so excited for this video because I get to show you my front yard with all of its leaves coming down in winter season. You can see some of them here. There's a whole ton over there by my porch. I've got 2 trees that dump them, and honestly it kind of just seems like one day they're just like poof, all the leaves come down. So stick around, I'll show you a whole tour of this and what I'm gonna do. This is the part I always try to watch the very most because it's the stairs that go right up to our front door. So I always like to take my leaf blower, but it doesn't take that long. It's not a huge area. Take the leaf blower, just get it off the porch. And I do try to get some of it out of my flower bed because you don't want that too thick. It can't be good for the soil, especially around those flowers, but just get rid of it without destroying or making too much damage there. See, that tree is right here in the backyard, but the leaves kind of swing over here in the front, and it gets this part of the driveway really bad. So I once again try to get this at least weeded off or get the leaves off about once a week so we don't get the leaves all over the place. But now this tree has a very pretty, little bit brighter color of green. They're very long and skinny and they just drop all over here. So it's pretty close to the house, and then it goes over to the circle drive and even down in that area. So we'll take all this and probably just put it in a ball and maybe put some of it in the garbage. I don't know, we're just gonna lightly do the leaf blower, kind of tidy it up. All of these trees along our front walkway have not started dropping, but as soon as they do, that place will be full of leaves. I try very hard to keep those stone rocks all cleaned up. Well, my ego is all out of batteries. To tell you the truth, I haven't been watching the time, so I don't know how long it's been running, but I've had it on the turbo the whole time, so I'm guessing maybe 20-30 minutes, but don't quote me on that. So let's go get a new one. I got that whole pile cleaned up. It's in my garbage, and honestly that garbage is almost full. So you can see one of them right there with my leaf blower. Now I got my rake and my garbage. We're gonna go put them in the garbage can. In the front yard, we have a driveway that goes along into the backyard. So I'm gonna take all these leaves and just blow them off close to that white fence back there. Well, I am all done with this project. Truthfully, that did not take me as long as I thought it would, but you know what? I didn't do a super detailed job. Just got it all off of the driveway, the porch, and our little walkway. So I'm glad this is done. So remember, work hard, play hard, have a wonderful day. We hope to see you again.